1990, the year that saw India evolve and prosper towards its path of glory, experiencing new economic reforms. India's economy started booming to new heights. As a globally competitive player in the world market, India's prominent growing sectors like infrastructure, construction of transportation systems, housing development and real estate paved way for the nation's growth and development. Cement industry was a major contributor to India's economic growth. With continuous super growth, India ranks second in cement manufacturing in the world at present. One of the contributors in this growth story is Penna Cement. Since its inception in 1992, Penna has grown in leaps and bounds in a short span of time. The company's phenomenal success is credited to its visionary chairman and managing director, Mr. Pratap Reddy. Penna Cement was one of the frontline industries that commenced its first plant in 1994 at Tadipatri, Tallari Cheruvu village. From producing 0.2 million tons in the first year, it has undergone a series of expansions. And today, the total amount of cement produced in this plant stands at a whopping 1.8 million tons per annum. The Tallari Cheruvu plant is well known for its abundant natural reserves. It boasts for one of the best and purest forms of limestone available in India. With the first plant being successful, the company soon launched 3 more plants to become the leading cement manufacturer in Andhra Pradesh. The Ganesh Pahad plant was the second plant to be launched in the year 2001 and delivers a yearly yield of about 1.2 million tons per annum. It is situated in Ganesh Pahad village, 30 kilometers on the National Highway NH5, connecting Hyderabad to Kolkata via Vijayawada. The third plant was constructed at Boyireddipalli village in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. This plant yields the highest rate of cement production, with 2 million tons per annum. The latest plant was launched at Tandur in 2010. This facility is just 110 kilometers from Hyderabad. The facility is close to the National Highway NH9, connecting Hyderabad to Mumbai. The total amount of cement produced here is 2 million tons per annum. The siding facility at Tandur and other plants sources raw materials besides transporting finished goods. Cement industry requires enormous amounts of power and fuel. To conserve energy, Penna adapts the latest pre-calciner technology, which reduces the energy consumption, both electrical and thermal. Importing of quality coal, installation of 75 megawatts captive power plant at Ganesh Pahad bring in considerable reduction in production cost. Penna Cement strongly believes that innovation should not only attract its customers but also simplify the hectic work process of its loyal employees. A fine example is the limestone conveyor belt at Boyireddipalli that runs for about 4.5 kilometers. Through an artificial trench from the crushing unit, the conveyor carries the crushed limestone to the plant for further process, saving fuel and thus reducing the load on road transportation. It is also an eco-friendly measure. It is the first of its kind conveyor belt in India. One of the major reasons for Penna's standout success is the latest cutting-edge technology incorporated with the affiliation of top-notch technology companies from Japan, Germany and Denmark. Vertical roller mill from Ube, Japan is the latest advancement for the combined operation of drying and grinding. This process enables the cement produced to have optimum particle size distribution, which results in superior quality. Expert technocrats, latest Japanese pre-calcinator and process control technology, and well-equipped laboratory ensure high quality of Portland cement and other varieties of special cement. Internal quality audits and management reviews is part of Penna's quality management system. Sampling procedures, testing and analysis at every step of the production process ensure product superiority. Penna has new generation packers by Annexco Engineers India Limited in collaboration with Haver and Boker of Germany. The unloading of raw materials is done with sophisticated hydraulic wagon tippler. The cement wagon loading facility enables loading of the cement bags in all the 46 rail wagons in a very short time of 6 hours in the plant. All the plants have easy connectivity across both rail and road modes of transportation since they are well connected through national highways and railway lines. Penna Cement is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company. Besides being awarded Quality Management System by the certification body of TUV SUD South Asia Private Limited for manufacturing and supply of cement. All the plants are eco-friendly and have implemented environmental management system. Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board has honored Penna with Best Practices and Waste Minimization Techniques award on the World Environment Day in the year 2008. Penna Cement not only gives importance for employee wellness, but also has an excellent track record of employee retention. Many of the employees who joined Penna Cement as junior technicians in the early 90s are still working with the firm in senior positions. Various employee welfare schemes motivate the employees to be more attached towards the organization. Penna has built schools for the wards of the employees and for the benefit of nearby villages around their factories, providing free education to all. As a part of their corporate social responsibility, Penna has adopted many surrounding villages and constructed long stretches of roads, temples, provide RO plants, etc.
Building schools for free education to the children, laying concrete roads, building temples. He is also particular that RO plants are installed so that they will have safe drinking water. As a corporate company, we are connected to the people with a commitment to the society for a better world to live.
Penna Cement has established itself as a strong household name in the country. The major credit for the success belongs to its dynamic marketing team. Penna is the #1 cement brand in Andhra Pradesh and 8th largest in South India. Penna also has a strong marketing network in Karnataka, Kerala, Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu. Currently, the marketing activities are expanded to Maharashtra and Goa as well. Soon, Penna's presence can also be seen in Western India. It has already opened sales depots at major locations across the state of Maharashtra, including Mumbai, Pune, Nasik, Ahmednagar, Sholapur, Sangli, Satara and Kolhapur. In the last 22 years, Penna Cement has seen significant growth in terms of capacity additions, volume of business, sales turnover, profitability, and technology innovations. During the period of 2007-2008 to 2012-2013, the cement production capacity has increased from 3 million tons per annum to 7 million tons, and the production has skyrocketed from 2.68 million tons to 4.39 million tons. The resulting sales volume has increased from 2.81 million tons to 4.95 million tons. During the same period, the cement turnovers have also significantly improved from 1,139.72 crores to 2,226.84 crores, thus making Penna an important asset among the South Indian manufacturing giants. Penna Group of Companies, which has diversified interest in power generation, both gas and hydropower, infrastructure, alumina refinery and hospitality. Sriba Industries Limited, the gas-based power plant with an installed capacity of 17.4 megawatts at Chikrakota village in Andhra Pradesh, now has increased its generation capacity to 31 megawatts. Pioneer Genco Limited, a hydro-based power plant commissioned in 2005 from the banks of the river Kaveri near Shivasamudram village in Karnataka state, has a power generation capacity of 24.75 megawatts. Pioneer Power Limited, another gas-based power plant of the Penna Group, is in the state of Tamil Nadu, has a generation capacity of 57.40 megawatts of power. This project was successfully implemented and commenced power generation from 1st July 2006. Pioneer Power Corporation Limited is a hydro-based power plant with a capacity of 24.75 megawatts. The plant generates power from the run-off the river Kaveri near Shivasamudram village in the Karnataka state. The project successfully started power generation from August 2007. Om Hydropower Limited is yet another hydro-based power plant with a capacity of 15 megawatts. The plant, established in the year 2013, generates power from the run of the river Newgal at village Bandla in Himachal Pradesh. Krishna Hydro Energy Limited is a hydro-based power plant with a capacity of 24.75 megawatts run off the river Krishna in the Karnataka state. The project is under implementation and expected power generation from August 2013. Pioneer Builders Limited. Pioneer Builders Limited is a partnership firm and is engaged in infrastructure business since 1981. And it has to its credit prestigious irrigation projects. Aluminium Refinery and RAK Aluminium Limited is a joint venture between Penna Group and Ras Al Khaimah Investment Authority, UAE, Rakia, for implementation of 1.5 MTPA alumina refinery as a sector-specific special economic zone at APIIC Industrial Park, Makavaripalam Mandal in Andhra Pradesh. The project is in its advanced stage of implementation and has taken all effective steps to be operational by the end of the year. Pioneer Holiday Resorts Limited is a name of repute in the hospitality world. A 5-star status, the resort is a luxury destination having 189 rooms and lifestyle facilities at the famous Banjara Hills in Hyderabad. The project is in joint venture with Hyatt and it's in the advanced stage of implementation and is expected to be operational by 2014. Today, India is the second largest producer in cement manufacturing in the world, ahead of the United States and Japan, but just behind China. And Penna Cement is keen to play a significant role in making India a strong and robust country.